Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Gemini low volume problem. So let's see the step. First of all, open Gemini and start conversation with Gemini and then click on power button and increase your phone volume. Now check your Gemini volume has increased. If you is still facing the problem, just follow this step. Go to the settings. Now scroll down and find sound and vibration option. Just click on this option. Now just click on volume option. Now here you can see AI assistant. Just increase this volume. After this process, I hope your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.